Dear students, the topic for our discussion today is fats. These are biomolecules made up of fatty acids and glycerol. Fats are important components of cell biochemistry. The two components, fatty acids and glycerol, are organic molecules. Fatty acids are organic molecules containing carboxyl group. Fatty acids are generally of two types: saturated fatty acids and unsaturated fatty acids. The lower molecular weight carboxyl group containing organic acids such as acetic acid, formic acid, they are called as saturated fatty acids. Among the unsaturated fatty acids, we are having palmitic acid, ceteric acid, arachidonic acid, linoleic acid, and oleic acid. The fatty acids are generally of two types: saturated fatty acids and unsaturated fatty acids. The saturated fatty acids occur in animal tissues and unsaturated fatty acids occur in plant tissues. The nature of the chain in the saturated fatty acids is it contains straight chain, but in the unsaturated fatty acids, that is bending in their structure. So far the nature of the bonds is concerned, saturated fatty acids contain single bonds only. The unsaturated fatty acids contain one or more double bonds. So far the physical nature of saturated fatty acids is concerned, they are solids at room temperature. Unsaturated fatty acids are liquids at room temperature. The melting point of saturated fatty acids is very high as compared to unsaturated fatty acids whose melting point is very low. So far the essentiality of fatty acids, we can classify fatty acids into two groups: essential fatty acids and non-essential fatty acids. Essential fatty acids cannot be synthesized in the body tissues and must be present in the diet. Non-essential fatty acids can be synthesized in the body tissues, may or may not be present in the diet. So far the occurrence of essential fatty acids is concerned, they occur in vegetable oils, for example, safflower oil. So far the presence of non-fatty acids is concerned, non-essential fatty acids is concerned, they are mainly present in the animal fats, for example, butter. The examples of essential fatty acids are linoleic acid, and arachidonic acid. And non-essential fatty acids are palmitic acid, ceteric acid, and oleic acid. The second important component of fats or lipids is glycerol. Fats and oils are esters derived from glycerol. Glycerol is a trihydroxypropane and fatty acids. Glycerol has chemical formula C2H5OH whole thrice. Normally, three fatty acids can join a glycerol molecule. So the glycerol serves as a binder or carrier for fatty acids. So far the functions of fats or lipids is concerned, fats are the important components of structure in plasma membrane, as well as cellular components, as well as the membranes of cellular organelles. They are also highly energy giving components as they yield high ATP molecules while degradation during respiration. That is all for today.